Yes, sir, let's get it. Gold at the moment. This is the trade that I am in. Probably should have waited until I forgot though. There is news happening in like 40 minutes, CPI, so there's probably more than likely gonna be some sort of spike. But whatever. Nonetheless, I'm currently in sells. My bias is sells. Yeah, because the 4 hours still, making the lower lows and lower highs. So what we're really just looking for is a break of minor support, seen on the 30-minute or the 15-minute. Right now, you can see the price is kind of, you have bearish, bullish. That's support to me on the 30-minute. On the 15-minute, you see it a little bit more clearer. You have this level of support. You have one candle that broke it, so it's not an actual break, but given what I'm expecting, I decided, okay, I can take this trade 1 or 2 times before it probably goes bearish, or it can just continue bullish if I wanted to, but that's not my bias right now. For GJ, I deleted the entire chart because I want to start over again. All right, let's scan these homes back. Actually, I want this to be like so. Give me the borders. Put it at 2 so we know it's special. Monthly. Monthly liquidity based off of this. Could you pull this over here and see? Yeah, doesn't look right. Anyways, so that's the monthly levels. This is the weekly levels. Yeah, it's kind of what's happening. I mean, I could put this, but it'd just be such a major level of exhaustion. Just know that we're at a level of exhaustion. But the most important thing is the current. And I gotta say, it's looking bearish still. Nothing changed for GJ. It's still more bearish than it is bullish at the moment. It's really messy. It's not clean at all. But that's the last lower high. And before that, the last lower high was up here. And if you were up early enough and you had your bias being bearish, let's see, we come to after London. Doop. So you could have either gotten in after you saw these guys, or wait until it started counter trending again, find the support and see when it started to give some more bearish under that support. So like right there, that's another option for entry. Yeah, that would have been the case for GJ right now. It's no move that I would take, just because I feel like the good moves for today have already came and went. For gold, let's continue to see what it's going to do for today, because you have support formed, a nice break, lower high formed. It is on the 5-minute, however, there is clarity here, so that's something you'd want to keep in mind. But yeah, this is the idea for today. And it's crazy because this was yesterday, I definitely had a bearish bias. That was the first thing I did yesterday, is I took sells. And then I think because it kept rejecting off it, or because this was a monthly level, I was like, oh, probably going to be maintaining buys. And then boom, it went in my direction originally. So, just stick with your original bias, especially if the larger time frames are saying that that's who's in charge at the moment. That's the only thing that matters. Just listen to the higher time frames. You already know what I'm going on. So yeah, that's my bias for today.